Alrighty, today let's begin one fresh new module that is about governance and DevSecOps, where we'll be learning about Azure Landing Zones. Imagine building a new neighborhood. You don't just put up houses, you first set up roads, electricity, and safety rules so everything runs smoothly. In Azure, landing zones act like that foundation, providing pre configured environments with governance, security, and compliance controls already in place. For example, they define identity policies with Entra ID, network rules with network security groups, and monitoring with Defender and Sentinel before workloads are deployed. This ensures every application or service lands in a secure, well governed environment aligned with DevSecOps practices. Let's meet in our next lecture.